Hello everybody. I am making a leave-in conditioner today, and I have my water, my fragrance, and my preservative, my vegetable glycerin, my marshmallow root powder, my Btms 25 with my fractionated coconut oil, and my almond oil. And I sanitized everything. Everything's good to go. Now I'm going to separate all of these ingredients, set them off to the side, and work with what I need right now, which is my 12.8 ounces of water, my 0.8 ounces of Btms 25, 0.5 ounces of almond oil, and 0.5 ounces of fractionated coconut oil, or mid-chain triglycerides is what it's also called. So you need to get your water warmed up, and you need to melt your Btms, which is an emulsifier for the hair and skin. So I am going to go ahead and warm this up and melt down my emulsifier here. Okay, I have it melted down. Now I am just going to get my spatula here and scrape the edges. Okay, and I have my stick blender ready. And it's all sanitized too. And I just need to pour this right into the water. Whoop. And I'm going to separate that real quick. Get the rest of this wax in there. Okay. So now that I have that in, I'm going to add in my vegetable glycerin. And my marshmallow root powder. Whoops. And that is why you sanitize everything. I'm scraping down the sides to make sure that all the wax is incorporated. Now I'm going to add my fragrance, which is Lavender Mint Wow from Nature's Garden, and my preservative. So now that I got that incorporated in, I'm going to stick blend a little more to smooth it out. I'm going to stick blend just another minute or so just to make sure it's fully blended in. Okay, I'm going to wipe down my stick blender. Make sure everything is incorporated in and there's no chunks of the wax anywhere. I'm going to wipe down the sides of my bowls again, the side of my bowl again. Whoop, I'm being messy. And this looks really creamy, really well incorporated. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I have it stick blended a little bit longer. Since I did scrape the sides down again. And that is it. I love the smell of this lavender mint. It reminds me of my Paul Mitchell Lavender Mint leave-in conditioner that I have, that I'm all out of. As you can see, it's still a nice runny texture. It does thicken up though as it sits. All right. That is my leave-in conditioner. You could use this as a leave-in or a rinse out, whatever you prefer. The ones that I made yesterday are a little darker because I used more marshmallow root powder, but I did not like it that dark. So I went ahead and added more oil, less powder, and reformulated it. So for a final rundown of my recipe, which this is going to be going into containers, but I'm waiting for them to show up, and I just wanted to get it made. So I'm actually going to put plastic wrap over the top of this and cover it up. But my recipe today, a little rundown, was 12.8 ounces of water, 0.8 ounces of Btms 25, 0.8 ounces of vegetable glycerin, 0.5 ounces of almond oil, 0.5 ounces of fractionated coconut oil, 0.10 ounces of marshmallow root powder, 0.16 ounces of Optiphen, which is my preservative, and 0.35 ounces of fragrance. Alrighty, I will probably insert a couple pictures of my new bottles with the preservative in them, or not, the leave-in conditioner in them, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Alrighty. Bye.